Sit in a comfortable position. Relax. Close your eyes. And set an intention. That at this point in time, you are tapping to remove the worry, the anxiety you have, the temporary anxieties what you have with related to your children's health, education, betterment, so that it integrates with whatever you're doing. Your actions and your thought process should sink in. So have that thought process inside. Okay. Now, start rubbing your karate chop. Warm it up. Now, repeat after me. Keep tapping. Even though I want everyone to unmute today and start repeating it so that everyone will be getting that energy. And if a person is not going ahead and tapping, even she will start doing for sure. Right? I want you to repeat. It has to come out. When it is anxiety, it has to be from your mouth open. Vent it out. Okay? Even though a part of me learned anxiety as a child, watching adults worry, struggle, or fear the future. I acknowledge that younger part of me with love and compassion. Even though my inner child still believes I must worry to stay safe, I let her know she is not alone anymore. Even though my past experiences shape how I parent today, I choose to comfort my inner child now. Even though I am going through this worry, the anxiety related to betterment of my child, I still completely love and accept myself. Now, your in between eyebrows, your eyebrows, in between eyebrows. This anxiety did not start today. Side of the eyes, I learned it long ago. Under the eyes, as a child, I saw worry around me. Under the nose, I absorbed
I absorbed
fear without understanding it.
fear without understanding it.
Fear without understanding it.
Fear without understanding it.
Chin, I felt unsafe
I felt unsafe
at times.
at times.
Collarbone, I learned to overthink.
I learned to overthink.
Under the arms, I learned to stay alert.
I learned to stay alert.
Top of the head, this anxious child inside me
This child inside me
is not a part of me.
is not a part of me.
This has been absorbed,
This has been absorbed,
maybe by environment,
maybe by environment,
by parents,
by parents,
by family,
by family,
by ancestors,
by ancestors,
or someone who has
someone who has
been in anxiety
been in anxiety
in front of me.
in front of me.
Now, in between eyebrows, I see you, little one.
I see you, little one.
Side of the eyes, you tried to protect you.
You tried to protect you.
Under the eyes, you did the best as a child.
You did the best of the child.
Under the nose, you don't have to worry anymore.
You don't have to worry anymore.
Now, when you say this, you don't have to worry anymore, you will be mentioning you don't have to worry anymore, little, and say your own name. Okay? You don't have to worry anymore, little Annapurna.
You don't have any more little Shraddha.
Yes. Chin, I am here now.
I am here now.
I am the safe adult.
I am safe adult.
Under the arms, you can rest in my arms.
You can rest by arms.
I'm all yours.
I'm all yours.
You're very safe in my arms, Annapurna.
You are very safe in my arms.
Top of the head, you're deeply loved.
You are deeply loved.
I love you, Annapurna.
I love Menaka.
Even though some of this anxiety is not even mine,
is not even mine.
passed down from generations
Passed down generations
of parents
of parents
who struggled, who feared,
who feared,
who survived. I honor their journey
I honor their journey
and choose to release this burden now.
and choose to release this burden
Now,
now.
even though my ancestors
My ancestors
worried for their children
worried for their children
in difficult times,
in difficult times.
I thank them for their strength.
I thank for them to serve their strength.
I thank them for their strength
I thank for their strength
and release
and release
the fear
the fear
they no longer
they no longer
need to carry through me.
to carry through me.
Eyebrows, This ancestral parental fear side of the eyes, passed from generation to generation, under the eyes, fear of survival, under the nose, fear of scarcity, chin, fear of illness and loss, collarbone, I honor where they come from, under the arms, and I choose to release it, top of the head, I break this pattern now,
I break this pattern now.
eyebrows, I am not meant to carry it at all,
I am not carried meant to
I am not meant
I am
to carry it all,
not meant to carry it out.
side of the eyes, I am not meant
I am not meant
to suffer to love,
to suffer to love.
under the eyes, I can love
I can love
without any anxiety,
without any anxiety.
under the nose, I can care
I can give
without fear,
without fear.
chin, I can parent
I can parent
with peace,
with peace.
collarbone, I release
I release
inherited pressure,
inherited pressure.
I release
I release
inherited fear,
inherited fear.
I release
I release
inherited anxiety
inherited anxiety
from my nervous system,
from my nervous system.
I release
I release
all those patterns
all these patterns
that put me into this,
that put me into this.
top of the head, from my DNA,
From my DNA,
from my energy field,
from my energy field,
it's released.
it's released.
Now, eyebrows, I choose a new way,
I choose a new way.
side of the eyes, a calmer way,
A calmer
way,
common way.
calmer, CALMER, calmer way,
A calmer way.
under the eyes, a more trusting way,
A more trusting way.
under the nose, I reparent
I reparent
myself
myself
with love,
with love.
chin, I model
Model
calm for my children,
calm for my children.
because I don't want to give this pattern to them,
Because I won't give this pattern to them.
collarbone, I teach safety
I teach safety
through presence,
through presence.
I teach calmness
I teach calmness
through this moment
through this moment
where I am being me.
where I am being me.
My children
My children
will parent their children
parent their children
with calmness,
with calmness,
with consciousness,
with consciousness,
which is being inherited by me.
which
which
is
is being inherited by me.
I have released all those unwanted patterns
I have
I released all those unwanted patterns
which does not belong to me
which
does
does not belongs to me
or my children.
or my
or
children.
my children.
Under the arms, not through worry,
Not through worry,
top of the head, peace flows through generations.
Peace
please flow through
Generations.
generation.
flows
And this is
flows
going to be the
through
final integration, guys. Now, when you're tapping, I want you to realize that whatever you do, whatever pattern you pick up, whatever you're doing in front of your children, the same pattern will be picked up by them also. So, have an integration when you're tapping now. Be very conscious. Think about the same statements as the feelings too. Now, I want you to tap in between the eyebrows and say, I heal myself.
I heal myself.
I heal myself.
Side of the eyes, I heal my inner child.
I
I
heal
heal my inner child.
Under the eyes, I heal my lineage.
I
I
heal
my lineage.
I heal my ancestral generation patterns.
I heal my ancestor patterns.
Under the nose, I choose peace over fear.
I choose peace over the
Fear. Chin, love over anxiety.
love over anxiety.
Collarbone, trust over control.
Trust over controlled.
Under the arms, my children will feel this consciousness.
My children feel this consciousness.
My children will feel this consciousness.
My children will feel this consciousness.
My children will feel this calmness.
My children will feel this consciousness.
Top of the head, and it flows forward
and it
flows forward
through time,
through time,
generation to generation.
generation to generation.
Now close your eyes and place your dominant hand, whichever hand you use a lot, on your heart. If you wanted to keep both the hands on your heart, you can. You just want to keep one dominant hand, you can. Place your heart, close your eyes, and whisper to yourself. Take up your name. I say, Annapurna, you did your best.
You did your best.
Your ancestors did their best.
Your ancestors did their best.
Your children are supported.
My children are supported.
And I choose peace now.
I choose peace now.
Slowly inhale and exhale 5 times. When you're inhaling and exhaling, observe the breath, how it flows in and out. And when you're breathing, mention, my children are safe. My children are safe. If you wanted to say it more number of times, you can. 5 times, 11 times. It's completely okay. Whenever you are done, you can slowly open your eyes. You take your time. If you wanted to repeat more number of times, please do. Don't stop yourself from repeating it. Okay. Would like to ask for any one of you, when you were tapping, is there any kind of a resistance which came up today? Any particular person came up, in your visualization when you are tapping? Tapping ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮೈಂಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ ಮೈಂಡಿಗೆ ಬಂತ? ಇಫ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್, please understand your major anxiety pattern comes from that particular person or a situation, right? So what you need to do is, after this session, just take 1 minute, place your hand on heart and say, even though somewhere consciously or unconsciously ನಾನು ಈ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I understand this was also for the betterment of your children you thought about. No issues. I completely forgive you. I accept. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. I have forgiven you. I am so sorry for picking up this pattern from you. Thank you so much. I still love you. So that you are healing that pattern also, and your subconscious mind has one more assurance and it gets released. Right? Feeling far better now, Simi?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So if there is anything you wanted to feel that no, I wanted to repeat this, please do watch the video again. Right? Do it whenever you are getting the time. Please do it, because if you observe, we did it particular specifically for this only. Okay.
Yes.
So if you want, I can share the audio script also. I'll just take some time. I'll do it and send it to you guys. Please do it, but ensure to do this ritual what I mentioned now, because it's a reassurance for your brain, where even if there is a part of it which is attached, it gets detached. Okay. Thank you so much for allowing me to go ahead and heal you in some or the other way. Thank you so much for being in my space. See you all tomorrow, same time, 5:30. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Have a
Thank you.
great,
Have a great
wonderful,
day.
profitable day ahead.
Thank you. Wishing the same
Thank
for you.